Welcome to CADDology. This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. Select part and then OK. Go for the sketch tab. Select sketch and select plane and then OK. Make a circle of diameter 30 and 48. And make a rectangle and the dimension is 24. And from the center 35. And I'm going for a symmetric is 12. And the width is 11 and the distance from corner to corner is 110. Eight mm. Circle diameters is 48 outside circle and the inside circle diameter is 30. And make a horizontal line for performing mirror command. Go for the mirror entities, select sketch to be mirrored and then axis, and then go for the trim entities, extend lines and then finally trim. Go to feature tab and then select extrude boss, select sketch and then the value is 24. OK. And now select face and then find middle. Before making circle, I am create diagonal lines for finding center of the circle and then make a circle of diameter 16 mm and then OK, and delete extra lines. and then OK. Go to feature tab and then select extruded cut and then OK. Our drawing is finished now.